All right, trade recap for December 29th. Futures, I traded on the S&P. My, what do you call it, daily bias was bullish. And I drew this SMT here for lower lows, so I expected they'd be bullish. In the fair value gap, or excuse me, in this pre-market, I saw price take out Asia low and London high. So I was like, okay, we're probably going to do the same. But then when market opened, we had this big, nice move down to the downside. And we kept having this move down to the downside. So, and anytime I thought I was going to enter into a trade, we never did until we took out wherever that just went, previous mark that was right here. The market wants to shift, I guess. Price wants to do what it does. I don't know. Trading view has been weird on my phone. So price finally took out this low that was made here. This was made in the Asia time, I guess. No, this was in Asia, excuse me. This was made in London. This London low was made down here. Price came and took out this key level instead of reversing up. This was around 12 or so. This is out of my window to trade, but because I didn't have good entry here and I saw my strategy still find its way over here, I entered into this trade and I went to sleep. I literally went to sleep. I set stop losses beneath, basically this line was my stop loss. I entered into this trade, went to sleep, and woke up, let's say I woke up at 4 p.m. So I woke up here. Yep. So ultimately entered into this trade on this big green candle that went up, and I took the trade out here. Now, unfortunately, my position was low because I had been stopped out a few times prior to this. So I was not wanting to risk anything intense. And of course, you can't see my profit on there. I also didn't want to stretch out my top step too much because, again, it's an evaluation account. You can't even see this on there. So I decided to enter into the trade on my trade locker, which I am going to never do this again because the profit margin isn't fantastic for S&P or NS, and you can't even see any of this. But just know that I did enter into this trade, made profit, and got out when I woke up over here. And that's what happened.